The whisper of idol still haunts the land, built by broken hearts and trembling hands. Golden calves and closed screens, they bow to what was never king. But the fire still falls on consecrated ground, and the call still comes with a trumpet sound. Tear down the altars, break every stone, crush the lies that claim the throne. We are the voices that shake the dust, holy and wild. We rise from rust. Tear down the altars and lift up the name, the one who burns with holy flame. They've wept in silence, they feared the night, but we were born for sacred fight. No more silence, no more shame. The blood is sealed, the higher claim. And they rose in the midnight hour, and they burned with sacred power, and they called the fire down, and Baal's altar hit the ground. This is the cry of the remnant found. Ashes rise from hallowed ground, chains undone and curses fall. By his name we'll burn them all. Tear down the altars, break every chain, set the watchmen loose in Jesus' name. Let the idols fall like shattered glass. This holy war will be our last. Tear down the altars and light the flame. Let every knee confess his name. No throne will stand, but is alone, but is alone.